So my name is Gunther Keil. And usually I pronounce it Gunther Keil, but anyway. And I live in Trumansburg on Rabbit Run Road, which is right behind the fairgrounds of the famous, world-famous Grassroots Festival. I have 50 acres of land here and on my workshop here. My workshop was on the land. My house I built when we moved here. The land I utilize, well, for some kind of a farming, and I also utilize it for cutting trees, heating the workshop with wood, and heating my house with wood, and making boards. Well, the one thing is that we try to make the wood speak. So here, this is a giraffe, and this wood we use is called sycamore. And if you take the log, the sycamore log, and cut it to the center, you get this flecking. And that's what we do, more or less. We have the sycamore log cut in a fashion that we get a lot of these flecking. And then we make giraffes out of it and other things as well. The Finger Lakes and the area, as far as the beauty of the landscape, was really convincing as well. You know, the big lake and the sailboats on it and all that kind. It's a very picturesque part of the world. Designing things. So that's part of my expertise, which I actually had to learn. If I want to make a new item, I do some research. I used to go to Cornell's libraries in the art department and look at big books, but nowadays it's so much easier. You just go to the computer. You know, it's just marvelous what you can find there. I get an idea what I like and what I can do. You know, once I looked for making a nativity. I looked at medieval pictures. You know, and I said, well, this is really good. Can I do it? It's too complicated. You know, so you have to find things. And then you combine things. You build up a knowledge bank in your head, what's available out there, and then you come up with something I like and what I think that people may like and what we can do. And we can sell. That's another item which is really, you know, that the prices aren't outrageous.